Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to activate your BBVA card directly in the step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the BBVA app and log in using your credentials or biometric login. Step 2. Tap on the Cards section from the home screen. Step 3. Select the card you want to activate. This could be a debit or credit card. Step 4. If the card is new and not yet activated, you'll see an Activate Card button. Tap it. Step 5. Enter the last 4 digits of the physical card to confirm if prompted. Step 6. Follow any additional security steps like confirming a text code or email code. Step 7. Once verified, your card will be instantly activated and ready to use. Tip: if your card doesn't appear in the app or the activation button is missing, make sure the card has been delivered and linked to your account. And that's it. Your BBVA card is now active and you can start making payments right away. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.